order something from China and you have to wait 3 weeks to a month. We needed some more of these bike mounts. Do the cameras. I got the speaker hooked up. Didn't have enough of these. I sent extra. Nice. So we got the top and the bottom. Bike mounts. I'll give you an idea of what we do with it. Have my speaker. Had to go order some of these because I didn't have any of these 1/4-inch screw-ons. Goes into the bottom of my speaker. This way I can mount it to my handlebars. I'm not allowed to play music on my channel, but I play music all the time. And I wanted to be able to put some cameras, phones, whatever I want on my handlebars. So I needed 2 extra ones of these. These have the rubber. I don't even know if these have the rubber. Yep, they do. Identical. Thank you, Google.